Okay, now we have finished your 3 letters, isn't it? You learned C, you learned K, and you finished with letter E. Okay, so now before we start with your next letter, can we go for a small recap, children, with what you learned? Yes, in your letters C and K and E. Yes, now you know C and K as the same sound, and your sound is K. Yes, you remember that C and K as the same sound, and the sound is K. You also learned your letter E, and your sound is, yes, your sound is A. Your letter E, your sound is A. So you finish 3 letters and their sounds, and you also listen to the story. You sang a song for it. Yes. So now shall we move on to the next letter and the sound? Now the next one what we are going to learn is H. What is the next letter? In group 2 the next letter is H. So you are going to learn about H now. You finish C, K, E, and now we will start with letter H. So first we will learn the sound. Okay, let's learn the sound for it. Then we will move on to your song and your story, okay, and your activities and so on. So H, what's your sound? H. H. Now for you to make it more easier, what you need to do, children? Yes, you will open out your fingers, that is, you will open out your palm, okay, and you will say H. It's H. Yes, so you will remember H, the letter H, your sound is H. Okay, so now you know the sound for H with your action. Now if I say H and your sound, okay, good. Now after this we will learn even all the words which has the same sound. Okay, now first we go into the story. Can you see the pictures over here, children? Yes, now you can see a picture of little children. They all are hopping. Yes, hopping. Yeah, you can see one leg is down and one leg is up, so that is hopping. Okay, so when I say hopping, what is the sound that you can hear from that? Hopping. Yes, it's the sound for letter H, hopping. All right, now I want you to listen to the story. Now the story is little Harry and his friends. Little Harry and his friends had gone to school one day. At school, Harry and his friends were getting ready to join a competition. During that competition, Harry's master, physical master, had taken all of them out for the competition. So Harry and his friends went outside the classroom for the competition, and the competition was going to start. As the master, the physical master, he blew his whistle and counted 3, 2, 1, and the race began. And what was the race? The race was hopping race. And all the children were excited with the race, and all of them started hopping together. Harry and his friends enjoyed the hopping race. Okay, now as I told you the story, I'm sure you heard the word hopping, and the boy's name was Harry. So what is the sound? What's the sound? Yes. So that is now what we are going to learn for your letter H. Okay, now again, yeah, as I said, here you have the physical master, here you have Harry and all his friends, and as you can see, they all are hopping. Okay, they are very excited and happy about their race. So that is the story for letter H. Now, can we go to the song? Are you all ready for the song, children, for letter H? Okay, now again, the song is also about hopping. Okay, now yes, listen. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, so that is your song for letter H. Okay, now again I want you to recollect it once again. C and K, K, E, A. H, H is H. Once again, C and K, same sound, K. Your letter E, A. Letter E, A. H is H. Okay, now after this we will now do some activities, and now we will first learn how to write your letter H and the formation. Now we are going to learn the words which starts with your letter H and your sound H. Okay, now first one, as you see children, all your words are beginning with your letter H, that is your sound H. Okay, all your words are beginning with letter H, so your sound will also be the same. Now can we go through the pictures? Now first one, helicopter. How do you pronounce it? Helicopter. Okay, you should not say helicopter, no, helicopter. Helicopter. Your next one, hive. Can you repeat after me? Yes, you also can try it. Hive. Next, hop. Hop. Horse. Horse. Help. Help. Hat. Hat. Heart. Heart. Hammer. Hammer. Hand. Hand. House. House. Hop. Hop. Hippo. Hippo. So once again, helicopter, hive, hop, horse, help, hat, heart, hammer, hand, house, hop, hippo. So even there are many other words, many more words which you can also find out children, which starts with your letter H and your sound H. Okay, now you're finished with this. Now let's do your activity sheet. Okay, so as you always do, first let's see how to write your letter H. How are we going to write letter H? First, you need to draw a straight line down and another line. You will leave some space in between, and your middle line will connect both these lines together. H. Again a straight line another line, and your middle line, H. Your straight line, and one more line, another line, and your middle line, H. Okay, now let's learn how to write your sound. Yeah, you start from top, you come down, and a small down curve. You start from top, you come down, and a small down curve. Again, start from the top, come down, and a small down curve. So now you know how to write your letter and your sound. All right. Now again, you have some pictures over here. Now, shall we color out the pictures which starts with your sound? So what's your first picture? You have a heart, socks, hat, harp, hand, and a pumpkin. Now, your first one, heart. What's your first word? Heart. Is it sounding the same that you learn now? Yes. So, your heart also starts with a letter H and your sound is H. So, shall we color your heart? You will color the heart because it has the sound and it begins with your letter H. So you have colored your heart. Next one. Your next picture is a socks. Is it having the same sound? Socks? No. So we do not color it. Next one is hat. Hat. Is it sounding? Yes. It has the sound hat. So we need to color the hat too. Color the hat because it has the sound. So we color your hat. Okay. Next one, harp. What's the picture? Harp. Yes. Does it have the same sound? Yes. So we need to even color your harp because it has the same sound and your same letter H. So we are also coloring your harp. Okay, we are also coloring the harp. Done. Now, next one is hand. Hand. Does it have the same sound? Yes. So now we are coloring the ant because it has the same sound and it begins with the same letter, that is H, which you are learning now. It begins with your letter H and your sound, same sound. So we have colored your hand too. Next is a pumpkin. Does it sound the same? No, it's not the same sound. So we do not color pumpkin. So the words are heart, hat, harp, and hand. Okay, now to make it more easier for you, okay, if you want to know if all these pictures are beginning with your letter H and your sound, let's write a spelling for it. Now this is a heart. Now let me write the spelling for you. H E A R T. Heart. Yes, it's your letter is H and your sound is H. So the heart is correct. Next one, hat. Again, H A T. Is it the same sound and the same letter? Yes. Next one. It's a hop. H A R P. Hop. Yeah, it's beginning with the same sound. Next one. Hand. H A N D. So all the pictures and all the words are beginning with the same letter and the sound that you have learned.
Pebbles Kids Learning.